According to bankruptcy judge Steven Rhodes, the thousands of people in Detroit who are having their water turned off by the city do not have a right to a water service based on an inability to pay. The judge will not be blocking Detroit from shutting off water for residents who cannot literally afford to pay their water bill. Detroit's more than 24,000 water shutoffs are part of their strategy to pull themselves out of bankruptcy, regardless of forcing people to live without running water in their homes. Tightening their belts with people who have next to no wiggle room when it comes to their budgets could further push down an already drowning community and force many people to relocate. If a person can afford to pay their water bill but is choosing not to, then they should have their service shut off. But if a person cannot afford to pay for water, what should a city do? Perhaps cap them off at a certain level and let the person know how much daily usage they have, or take less money? People have had their water, electricity, and gas turned off for decades due to inability to pay. But Detroit is a unique and desperate situation. Lawyer Alice Jennings, who is representing 10 Detroit residents who are seeking to have their water kept on, said following Rhodes' ruling, quote, "We believe there is a right to water and there is a right to affordable water, especially in dire economic situations such as Detroit is facing right now. In addition, thousands of people not being able to bathe, brush their teeth, cook their food, etc. could lead to large public health problems in the near future." Detroit city water employees are currently shutting off water to as many as 400 accounts per day, an astonishing yet not surprising number that could dramatically alter the well-being of thousands of residents and end up causing a tremendous amount of ill will towards the government. Should Detroit be taking this tactic in order to emerge out of bankruptcy, or be a bit more lenient with their less fortunate residents?